at your home, because as you all know that these days the COVID cases are going higher and higher, and we are worrying about our studies. So guys, guess what? We are back with our amazing, enjoyable and interesting Vedic maths classes.
Hi, I am Shashwat Gupta and I am gonna teach your child Vedic maths. So, the first thing that struck in your mind is what is Vedic maths? So, it is a collection of techniques to solve numerical calculation in an easier and a faster way. So, let me tell you what are the advantages of it. It improves child's concentrations and reduces the time to solve any of the difficult calculations.
There are many institutions, but why we? Because if a student teaches a child, he or she knows all the weak points of that child, as he had already faced that problems earlier. So he or she don't want let the others also face the same.
So there are two batches. Let me bring the first batch syllabus. This is kids batch. It includes classes 1st to 5th and it covers numbers, additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions and last but not the least fractions. So let me tell you how I will teach in this batch. Let's take the example of additions. Let me take giraffe, yeah. 7 giraffes and 5 monkeys. So there are 7 giraffes and 5 monkeys. Means we have to add up how total number of the giraffe. So 7 plus 5 equals to how many? 12. Yeah, you are right. And the timing for this batch is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So let us bring another batch syllabus. This batch is for higher classes, means from class 6 to any of the class in which do you study, because it is for all competitive exams you face in your life. It includes square roots, cube roots, multiplications, divisions, LCM, HCF, calendar and table. You all will wonder how good I will do this all. So let me show you. So here are the questions I am going to solve to you and explain. So here it is 29 square. 29 square means 29 into 29. So the answer will be get in 3 digit or 4 digit. So the answer will be here is 841. So the next question is 52 cube, means 52 into 52 into 52. So the answer we will get in 6 digit. So the answer we will get is 140 and 608. So here is the 6 digit answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here is the 50 into 39. Here 1 is written, so the answer we will get in 3 digit. So the answer we will get is 580 and then 5. So here is the answer in 3 digit. Now we will have 387 into 95. We will get answer in 5 digit. So here we will do, we will here get, here we will get, yeah, 7 5 is a 35. So we will here get 5 last digit. I will show you in my classes, but here I will show how I am doing and you will also like to do still like this without a calculator. Here I have 5 digit questions and 2 digit divisor. So divisor 5 digit minus 2 digit. I will get answer in 3 digit and decimal places I will get many more after them. So here you can see 6 and then 2 zeros to 2 zeros, then 9.36. Here's the answer. Now you are thinking that 29 December 2092, what it means? It means that in which day it will come. So the 29 December 2092, it will come in competitive exam for 1 marks, which is very important. You have to learn. I will show you in my classes. See how I am doing. 29 December, 29 29 December, then December we have to also learn this year code, and we are knowing that 29 December 2092 is Monday. So I will get answer is Monday. So this is how I am doing. And the timing for higher classes batch is 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So that fees for kids batch is 800 per kid, and for higher classes it is 1000 per student. We are providing live classes with doubt solving. I have taught many students before. So what are you waiting for? Go and enroll your child now. Here is the contact number given below.